Hi everybody, in this video we will talk about Kaggle Datasets, probably the most renowned and significant resource on the website. Kaggle Datasets range from a variety of topics such as sports and news all the way to WHO COVID statistics. The two most important aspects about this resource is that anyone from the community can upload a dataset onto the website, and each of these are accessible to the entire community on a free to use basis. You can simply click on a dataset to look further into it and potentially use it yourself. Let's look at one of the more popular datasets on Kaggle, the World Happiness Report dataset. As is the case with most well-curated datasets, you will find a good chunk of starting information regarding the dataset and its possible use cases in the data card itself. Now, to actually use this dataset, we have two main options. Either one can download the entire dataset and use it offline on their device, or you can use them in a Kaggle provided Python or R notebook by simply clicking on this new notebook button, which starts up a Jupyter-like notebook inside Kaggle itself. Kaggle notebooks are very similar to a Google Colab notebook and hence can be extremely useful for beginners who do not have access to high-end computing hardware. Kaggle even allows you to use GPUs and TPUs in a rationed manner. All you need to do is make an account and you're good to go. This allows users to perform high computation tasks and explore the true potential of these datasets. In my opinion, the best way to truly utilize the complete learning potentials of these datasets as a beginner is to look at the code tab available for each dataset. Here you can find Kaggle notebooks created and uploaded by Kagglers like yourself. When exploring a new dataset, I like to begin with looking at the most voted notebooks on the website. These notebooks tend to be well documented, making them an excellent resource to learn new techniques from. Hope you find Kaggle datasets useful and make the most of them. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.